Let's make some prints at home. Let's try printing at home with a piece of an egg carton. If you can find a piece that doesn't have any words on it, it'll make drawing your picture easier. But you can still draw your picture if there's words on it. Let's make a sunset. You need washable markers for this. Don't press too hard. You don't want to make grooves in your styrofoam. I'm going to use a wet paper towel. I'm going to put the paper towel on the piece of paper. Now let's press that wet paper onto the styrofoam. And let's see how much we can pick up. That's printing with styrofoam.